Hey, what's going on, everyone? So I just wanted to share something real quick about buying parts that are not OEM. So I had that airbag on and it was leaking. I bought it on Amazon. It was like $100. It was leaking, so I just took it off and I just installed one Firestone that I bought from the dealership. This one's like $187. So I bought 4 of them on Amazon because I want to replace all of them on this side. You know, 4 on this side, 4 on the other side. It's got 8 in total, and 2 of them are good. I already have to send one of them back to Amazon. This one I'm gonna be sending back. It didn't even last for like a week, and 2 of them are good. So I mean, I don't know how long they're gonna be good for, but what a pain in the butt, because I had already installed them and I had to take them off and I had to buy that one I just bought. So I just installed that one. So my point in this is buy parts from the dealer. Like, you know, you try to save money, or maybe not from the dealer, but buy parts that are a good brand, especially airbags and stuff like that. Don't be buying them like this brand. The name of the brand on this is called Torque or something. And what a pain in the butt, man. So yeah, I guess my point is just buy parts original. Don't buy parts that are similar, because it's just more trouble, you know. Yeah, you pay a little more, but you know, it fits better and it just works better. Like one of them, this thing right here wouldn't screw into it. So what I did is I forced it, because the thread on the bag was not good. So what I did is I freaking forced it and I screwed the thread on this. So what I had to do is, so I bought this one's a different one already. So I couldn't screw it in here anymore. So what I had to do was I had to go to the junkyard and get another piece of this. And this thing is not just the fitting right here, it's a whole hose that comes with it. So it took me like 4 hours at the junkyard to take this off another truck, because it wasn't just a frame, and there was a frame underneath it and a frame on top of it, a truck frame, because it's a junkyard, you know. And so it took me forever to get this hose out, and then to install it was a pain in the butt. Another tip too, if you ever have to install this, make sure you remove the airbag, because it's way easier. I had to struggle, like I'm telling you, I struggled like 6 hours one day, 4 hours to almost take it off, and then 2 hours to put it on here. And then I figured out that if I took the airbag, it was just easier to put it through the hole in here, because this thing like loops around that way like that. It's got a 90 like that going that way, and it's got another 90 going that way. So it's a pain in the butt because it's got a hose. And I mean, if you've ever dealt with these hoses, you know what I'm talking about. And I would show you, but it's just I have these tires in the way, and then I just can't. But yeah, just buy, you know, OEM parts. You know, don't cheap out, because I'm telling you, I spent probably like 2 days figuring this stuff out, and it's just not worth it, when I could have just buy the Firestone airbags original that came with the truck, and just would have been done with it. Okay, all right, I hope it helps someone. All right, have a good day. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.